Are you experiencing dry, itchy, and burning sensation in your eyes? Then you might have dry eye syndrome. This particular condition, it's not an age specific. It can occur in anybody from school-going children to elderly people. Stay tuned till the end where I speak some effective remedies, do's and don'ts for the following condition. So dry eye syndrome is one of the most commonest problem that is being faced by people. It's not an age specific disorder or a condition. From school going kids to elderly people, they're facing it. So in simple, let me explain you what dry eye syndrome is. It is a condition when there is an inflammation of eye and the tear producing gland in the eye. So what happens is that as a result of this inflammation, your eye is unable to produce normal tears. So you might be wondering what might be the causes of this condition, the dry eye syndrome. Number one is aging, and number two is that any underlying health condition, say for example rheumatoid arthritis. Number three, if a person is in taking prolonged medications, for example antihistamines, antidepressants, etc. Number four is the environmental factors. That includes dry, smoky area and excessive or prolonged sitting in an easy room, etc. And number five is obviously increased screen time, especially in children. We can't just categorize to children alone. Even in adults and elderly people, it has become the most commonest problem. So what would be the symptoms or what would you be experiencing in this dry eye syndrome? Number one is excessive dryness of the eye. You feel the ache, you feel the irritation in your eye. Number two is that, like I said, excessive irritation of the eye. You feel like rubbing and you wouldn't know what to do. Number three is that foreign body sensation. That is, you'll feel like something is there in your eye, some kind of gritty sensation on your eye will be seen. Number four will be blurring of vision. Like I said, the normal production of the tears, everything is being affected. As a result, it has got impact on your vision as well. And the last one is the photophobic. You will be photophobic as well. So, like I said, it's one of the commonest problems. So, don't worry, you are at the right place. At Jeevashree Ayurvedic Wellness, we offer n number of treatments for exclusively for eye-related ailments. So, embrace your Ayurvedic eye care with Jeevashree Ayurvedic Wellness. Thank you.